Use your desktop application to stay connected with your team and with your customers anytime, anywhere. Place and receive calls securely in two ways, either as a call controller for your desk phone or as a soft phone from your Mac or PC. Place calls to anyone in your organization using your desktop device, or use the dial pad to place calls to external phone numbers. In addition to your corporate directory, you can add personal contacts like friends, family, and vendors to your contact list. All contacts sync across devices, so you'll have the latest contact information wherever you go. Presence indicators show you which coworkers are available for a quick call. For those managing high call volumes, Receptionist View gives you a bird's eye view of company contacts to help you transfer calls more efficiently. Once on a call, you can access all the advanced call control features like transfer, park, or call flip right from the application. Receive notifications for missed calls and access your call history. Manage voicemails and view voicemail transcriptions with just one click. Download the accompanying mobile application so that you can take your business phone number, contacts, and calls with you wherever you go.